And that's a rare?
Yes.
Okay, let me see what else you got.
Okay.
Don't open them yet. I want to see the other ones.
I want them to see it up close.
Isabella, your sister's here too.
Okay.
Keep that in mind. Maddie, we're not opening that yet.
Now we're opening the season 4 flying baskets.
No, open the.
I got 2 brand new ones.
Which ones?
We got egg cheek and crispy lettuce.
Yay! It's a cookie. Let me open cookie.
Me and my cousin are about to complete the set of season 4.
It's my season 4 too.
I got an ultra rare tennis ball. I complete the set of the tennis ball.
Look.
And I got a new one too. Millie Mushroom.
Look at that. It's cookie.
It's cool that me and Maddie both got the same ones.
I know.
That's the first one.
Oh, I want to see my feet at first too.
I got another ultra rare puppy house. Here, Maddie, this is a duplicate.
No, what one is that?
Billy Potato. It's a duplicate for me.
Okay.
Oh, and put my feet at
It's just
first.
little cases. You could stack them up. There's 3 different colors. There's a dark pink, light pink, and white. Going to open up another one.
Is that your last one?
No. I
What?
got one more.
Okay. All these Shopkins. They're like Shopkins. Crazy.
Oh yeah, that is true. Wonder what I get now.
I get now.
I got Merry Wishes! This is the one that I've been wanting so bad! And this is another duplicate.
No more.
What one is the duplicate? Which one?
Minty. It's called Minty. Merry Wishes. See the dark pink. Put the dark pink.
Try to get it out. I can do it.
What are you doing?
I hope I get a limited edition.
Are you making a mess, Maddie?
I really want a limited edition.
Maddie, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Say I love you.
I love you.
I love
I
you.
wonder what it is. I got a brand new one.
I love you, Stuffy.
And a duplicate.
What one's the duplicate? Which one?
Edgar and Cup.
Okay.
And you know what?
What one's the new one?
Miss Prezi.
Cool,
Miss
baby.
Prezi.
All right, Maddie, come here.
And right now, this egg chick right here. It's called egg chick.
All right, y'all gotta say Happy Easter.
Look. Wait. Well. So cool. Since its name is Edgar Egg Cup, you put the little egg that's a Petkin and special edition, and you put it in here.
Cool.
Because it's named Edgar Egg Cup and Egg Chick.
Maddie, come here right now.
So I got a rare, a special edition.
Okay, y'all come here and say
Rare.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter!
Maddie, say Happy Easter.
Look,
Really, Maddie?
look at this.
Say Happy Easter. Maddie, you gotta say Happy Easter. Madison.
I got 2 ultra rare Shopkins and a special edition that is so cool. And